Hey everyone, good evening, good evening, good evening. It's actually afternoon, but yeah, the weather outside is a little too beautiful to be called an afternoon. My name is Amit Surana. Welcome to the third lecture on geometry. Today we'll be looking at second part of triangles. So far we have looked at lines and angles. We have also looked at properties of triangles, yes, classification of triangles, some rules that triangles follow. We have looked at right triangles, we have looked at Pythagorean triplets, we have also looked at special right triangles, right? Today's agenda, my name is Amit Surana. These are the two Telegram groups. Please join these groups. The links for these groups are given in the description below. Today's agenda is what? We'll be looking at area of triangle, we'll be looking at congruency of triangles and similarity of triangles. Hello Mahatab, hello Rishi, hi Arshan, hello Ivanshi, hello Sakshi, hi Gaurav. New batch, Gaurav, new batch should probably be mid-July. Yes, so about 2 weeks from now. Yeah. Okay, these are all the ongoing and upcoming batches. This batch has started today. There are a lot of other batches also apart from these that have started and will be starting for CAT 2021. So if you're preparing for that or any other management tests, you can go ahead and join these batches. So to enroll into these batches, you'll need a subscription. You can take any one of these subscription packages. You can use my code Surana Live. You will get a 10% discount. And if you take a 6-month subscription, you will get 1 month subscription free. Okay, let's start now, shall we? Triangles. Hi Shruti, hello Holy Gaming. Hi Shitish, you are new. How new are you? You are new. Okay, Holy Gaming does look new, but Shitish, you are not new. Okay, so first let's start with area of a triangle. Yes, for any given triangle, especially for a right triangle, it is what? For a right triangle, it is half times the base times the height. Yes, this is the height, this is the base. So what does it mean? Any two sides of a triangle that are perpendicular, half of their product will give us its area. Yes. Why is it half? Because if you try to complete it, it will become a rectangle, correct? What is area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. In this case, height into base. So half, because half the triangle is here, half the triangle is here. Got it? So that is for a right triangle. Okay Mahtab, आ जाइए, join in. Hello Roger. No issues guys, अगर ये आपका पहला लेक्चर है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. This is a class on triangles. Join in, नया कॉन्सेप्ट है, एरियाज की बात कर रहे हैं. Hello Kanav. Okay, so this is for any right triangle. Now this can be used for any other triangles also. Any triangle that is not right, that is not 90 degrees, वहाँ पे आप क्या कर सकते हो? You can form, for example, if this is the triangle, you can form a perpendicular. Yes, so this perpendicular becomes the height, this will be the base for it. Yes, if I draw a perpendicular from here, then this will become the height, this will become the base for it. Yes, if I draw a perpendicular from this vertex, then this will become the height and this entire thing will be the base. Got it? Yes. Now what if we are talking in specific about an equilateral triangle, right? In specific about an equilateral triangle, the area of an equilateral triangle is given by root 3 by 4a square, where each side is a, correct? Equilateral triangle, each side is equal, so each side is a, root 3 by 4a square. This can be derived by what? Since this is 60 degrees, If I draw a perpendicular to this, this will become 90 degrees. So ultimately this angle will be what? 30 degrees, correct? So what is this? This is the smaller triangle is a special triangle, 30, 60, 90. Correct? 30, 60, 90 special right triangle. So what do you know? If opposite to 90 degrees is A, opposite to 90 degrees is A, then opposite to 60 degrees will be what? Root 3 by 2A. Yes, and opposite to 30 degrees will be what? A by 2. Correct? So A by 2, that means this will also be A by 2. A by 2 plus A by 2 is what? A. Yes. So you can use the same formula, half times base times height. For an equilateral triangle, what will happen? Base is nothing but A by 2 plus A by 2, which is A. Height is what? Root 3 by 2A. So if we multiply all of this, what do we get? Root 3 by 4A square. So this is the standard formula for any triangle's area. Okay, not just right triangle, but any triangle ka area ka yahi hai, half times base times height. You have to keep in mind that the height is a perpendicular height. Okay, done. Now what about an isosceles triangle, right? An isosceles triangle, let's assume if this is an isosceles triangle, then what would happen? You would have two sides, equal sides, and two equal sides and one non-equal side, correct? Two of them will be equal sides. Let's say these two are equal sides and this is the non-equal side. If you can use trigonometry here, very well. Yes, if you cannot use trigonometry, then this is the direct formula for it. Yes, if it's a 45 45 90 isosceles triangle, then what will happen? You can use the same formula for right triangle, right? 45 45 90, that is what, let's say if this is A, this is also A, and this is B. This angle will be 45, this angle will be 45, correct? Do you remember 45 45 90? So if it's a 45 45 90 isosceles right triangle, then beautiful, you can easily get it done by same half times base times height. Yes, but if it is not, if it's a random isosceles triangle, then you can use this formula if you want to. Yeah, B is unequal side, unequal distinct side, A is the equal side. Yes, but ये formula याद रखना मुश्किल होता है, तो we'll take up some questions. I'll tell you how to deal with them separately. अगर ये याद रहता है तो beautiful, otherwise let's find out random ways of doing it. Okay, you are from another Gola, Roger. Hi. Super. Hi Saurabh, hello Avi, hello Janvi, welcome guys. Went through questions from SK Verma. Super, very good Arshan, very nice. Correct Deep. हाँ Arshan, you can use that if you want, or special right triangles, either which ways, ठीक है? क्षितिज definitely आते हैं, isosceles triangle के questions आते हैं, but direct formula लगाना ज़रूरी नहीं है. We will find other ways of doing it also, right? Now हर area of triangle formula का बाप है Heron's formula. Yes, Heron's formula says that area of any given triangle is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where A, B and C are the sides. A, B and C are the sides, and what is S? S is nothing but semi-perimeter. Perimeter ka half, semi-perimeter, right? That is S. This is Heron's formula. This is very, very important. Not just for triangles, not just for quadrilaterals, not just for polygons, but also in coordinate geometry we will be using Heron's formula. Okay, तो Heron's formula का पता होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. What is Heron's formula? Semi-perimeter का value जो भी होगा, multiply that with the difference of semi-perimeter with each of the sides. Yes. Hi Sneha. Hello Ajay. ஆமாப்பா, இதுவும் daily பிரச்சனை ஆச்சு. Join in. Done. So these are the formulas of area of triangle. Now we'll be using example questions. We'll be trying out multiple ways of doing the same question. Okay, So read this question. What does it say? It says that an isosceles triangle has perimeter of 50 centimeter and the largest side is 20 centimeter long. We have to find the area of this triangle. Yes, try this out, see if you can do it. If you're not able to do it, don't push yourselves, but try random ways of doing it. Okay, let's see who can answer this. Quick. Hello Jayanti, hi Shreyashi. Okay, Saurabh, Deep, Shakuntala are saying A. Shakuntala Devi, namaste madam, big fan. Not of the movie though, movie आपके नाम पे बहुत बड़ा कचरा बना दिया, वो अलग बात है, but you as a person, big fan. Hi Jaya, good evening, good afternoon. Okay, Rishi is also saying A. Shreyashi is saying A. So what is told? We have an isosceles triangle. Yes, its perimeter is 50. Perimeter is 50 and the largest side is 20. So let's say if this is the largest side, 20. Yes, if this is 20, then what happens? Perimeter क्या होगा? ये और ये equal sides है. Let's say these two are equal sides. So 2 times A plus 20 is 50. Perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides, है ना? So 2 times A is 30. That means each side A is 15 units, 15 centimeters. So what do we get? This is 15 centimeters. This is also 15 centimeters. Yes. Now in a situation like this, if you try to draw a perpendicular, if you want to use half times B times H, if you draw a perpendicular, you will notice that this is 90 degrees, but this 10 centimeter half and 15 centimeter half, it's not making any relation at all. Correct? Are you guys noticing this, guys? 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, no relation at all. Yeah, this is 1.5 times. So if one option is using trigonometry, yes, one option is using trigonometry. Now I am somebody who would normally not go for trigonometry, especially when we are in a rush. In the test you will be in a rush, so trigonometry se mat karo, instead use what? Heron's formula. So what does Heron's formula say? According to Heron's formula, first let's find out the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter क्या होगा? Perimeter by 2. Perimeter 50 centimeter दे रखा है, by 2 is what? 25 centimeter. So area is given by under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Yes, so what would you get? Under root 25 into, what is 25 minus, let's say 15, 10, 25 minus 15, 10, 25 minus 20 is 5. Yes, so here what happens? You end up getting, you can separate this if you want. इसको separate कर लो. Root 25 is 5, root 100 is 10, so 5 into 10 50 हो गया. बाकी क्या बचता है? root 5. So what's the area? 50 root 5 centimeters square. Yes, यहाँ पे using trigonometry would not be the best thought. Yes, trigonometry use करने से कोई मतलब नहीं है, क्योंकि you don't know this angle, you don't know this angle, है ना? Alternatively, what could you do? What could you do alternatively, guys? You can use area of isosceles triangle का formula. Correct? Area of isosceles formula का triangle का formula directly. So what is area of a given isosceles triangle? B by 2 whole root A square minus B square by 4. Correct? A square minus B square by 4. ये है आपका formula. Yes. तो b क्या है, b इज द डिस्टिंक्ट साइड, अनइक्वल साइड. 20 का हाफ 20/2 into a square is what, 15 square minus b square is 20 square by 4. Yes, so what do you get here? You get 10 into 15 square is 225, 20 square is 400, 400 by 4 is 100. So you get 10 into root 125. 125 is 5 क्यूब, तो उसमें से 2 5 चले गए, बार आ गया, 5 into 10 50, बाकी क्या बचता है, √5. Yes, so this is the reason why I would say that no more than one ways of answering it. Yes, just don't stick to one method of answering a question, no more than one ways, ताकि वो आपको कभी भी help करेगा. So I know 2 ways of answering this, Heron's formula and using the formula of an isosceles triangle. Cool, great. So everybody who said A, very nice. Shakuntala, Janvi, Shreyashi, Shailaja, Arshan, very good. Rishi, Roger, Deep, Saurabh, very nice. Yeah, chalo. Now let's go to the second question here. Try this out. The area of triangle ABC. So here is the triangle. This is the given figure. Area of triangle ABC is 36 centimeter square, and they're saying AB and AC is equal. If AD is a perpendicular drawn from A to BC, then what is the area of triangle ADC? ADC. Quickly try this. Kshitij and Deep are saying B, 18 centimeter square. Saurabh and Janvi are saying 18 centimeter square. Very good Shreyashi, very good Muskan. हाँ क्षितिज, isosceles triangle है. एक बार और रिपीट करूँ क्वेश्चन को. क्वेश्चन तो ये रहा. Area of this whole triangle is 36 centimeter square. They're saying AB and AC are equal. AD जो है वो perpendicular है, मतलब ये angle 90 degrees है, drawn from AB, from A to BC. They want us to find out the area of this part, this chota triangle. 18, very good, beautiful guys, just the half. So what should you know here is that in an isosceles triangle, this is a property of an isosceles triangle. Yes, in an isosceles triangle the perpendicular drawn to the non-equal side, this is non-equal side, correct? Yes, BC non-equal है, मतलब AB और AC equal है, BC is non-equal, right? So perpendicular drawn to non-equal side acts as a median and an angular bisector. What does this mean? This means that जो AD है, the perpendicular AD क्या करेगा, BC को हाफ में कट कर देगा, मतलब BD एंड DC आर इक्वल. सेम वे ये जो एंगल है, ऊपर का जो एंगल है उसको भी बाइसेक्ट कर देगा, मतलब इक्वल हाफ्स में डिवाइड कर देगा. यस, इक्वल हाफ्स में डिवाइड कर देगा. या so at this stage you can use SAS congruency, क्योंकि अगर ये 90 है तो फिर ये भी 90 है. Yes, AD common sides है. So what happens here? Triangle ABD is congruent. Congruent का मतलब क्या है कि दोनों का एरिया, दोनों के साइड्स, दोनों के dimensions, angles, सब कुछ सेम रहेंगे, right? We will learn about congruency today. अभी कॉन्ग्रुएंसी के बारे में बात करेंगे, ठीक है। तो दीज आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स। कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स में क्या होता है, जानवी नॉट सिमिलर, कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, डायरेक्ट कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, क्योंकि अगर ये दोनों साइड इक्वल है, इफ दीज टू साइड्स आर इक्वल देन दीज टू एंगल्स आर आल्सो इक्वल। एंगल बी एंगल सी भी इक्वल है, एंगल बी ए डी एंगल डी ए सी भी इक्वल है, ये वाला 90 भी इक्वल है, ये वाला साइड भी इक्वल है, ये भी कॉमन साइड है, ये भी इक्वल है। समझ गए? सो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ कॉन्ग्रुएंट, दीज आर कॉल्ड कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स। तो कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल में क्या होता है कि एरिया इज इक्वल। So area of triangle ABD will be the same as area of triangle ADC, correct? अगर मैं उसको x ले लूँ तो ये क्या है, this is x, this is x. In question it's given that total area of the entire triangle 2x is 36. So what will be x? 18 centimeter square. Got it? Yes. Correct, Saurabh. You can also go for that, but for that you need to know that जो perpendicular है वो हाफ में डिवाइड करेगा, है ना। ये आपको पता होना जरूरी है कि जो perpendicular है AD, this AD will divide BC in two equal parts. मीडियन है, कहीं दे नहीं रखा है। Yes, Shruti, don't worry, in the later part of this session, now after area we will be going to congruency and similarity only. Don't worry, I'll explain it again, okay? All right. Hi Akshay, welcome buddy. How are you? Long time no see. Chalo, let's go to the next. Now before we move on to the next question, guys, please consider taking Iconic subscription. You will get all the benefits of Plus, and you will get access to top mentors who are alumni of grade B schools. Yes, you have 24-month package, 12-month package. Use the code Surana Live for a 10% discount. Here's our next question. Now this is a word problem. Read this carefully, okay? ये word problem है, इसको आराम से पढ़ो. If the diagram is not given, then you will have to draw the diagram. Yes, try this. महताब, I will repeat congruency and similarity. इसके बाद congruency है, area के बाद will be doing congruency and उसके बाद will be doing similarity, ठीक है? Oh Akshay, you were tested positive. Okay buddy, take care. Are you recovering or have you recovered already? Okay, Akshay says D, 3580 is the answer. Recovered? Super buddy. Quick. Perimeter into den. Super Barshan. So what are they saying? They're saying there is a triangular park. Okay, there's no diagram, so let's draw one. There is a triangular park. Now you might think this has to do with area. This has nothing to do with area. ध्यान से सुनो. One side is 100, another side is 100, the next side is 160. They're saying he has to fence it and also plant grass. But what is the question asking? Cost of fencing. Yes, with barbed wire at the rate of 10 rupees per meter, leaving a space 2 meter wide for a gate on one side. Yes, so look at this, needs to leave 2 meters. Just need to leave 2 meters. So what is the overall perimeter? 100 plus 100 plus 160, out of which we need to leave 2 meters. So what is the perimeter? 360 minus 2, 358. So your perimeter is 358 meters. So cost of fencing will be how much? 1 meter is 10 rupees. So 358 meters will be 3,580 rupees. Yes. There's also a second part of the question, but the answer choice is not given. So you don't have to worry about that. But still, let's see. Yes, let's see. What are they saying? How much area? So they want us to find out the area of the inside part where grass needs to be planted. Yes. So area of, you can go for Heron's formula, or if you remember now area of isosceles triangle ka formula, if you remember, then directly use that. What is it? B by 2 whole root a square minus b square by 4. Correct? So what is b by 2? B is unequal side. 160 by 2 is 80. Whole root 100 square minus 160 square by 4. That's nothing but 80 square. Yes, 160 square by 4 is nothing but 80 square. Correct? So how much will this become? 80 root 100 square minus 80 square can be written as 100 minus 80 into 100 plus 80. Correct? Which is 80 into root 20 into 180. How much is this? 20 into 180. 2 into 18 is 36. 36 square is 6. This is 2 zeros. Yes, so you have 80 into 60. 80 into 60 is what? 4,800 meters square. Although this is not asked here. Yes, यहाँ पे नहीं पूछा गया. ठीक है? Done. Yes, so what's your answer? Actually just D, 3,580. This is not area. This is area, okay? Done. So area is 4,800, cost is 3,580. Leave it. Janvi, it's not said outside. See, it is said that it's called fencing. Fencing is done only on the perimeter, not on the outside. 180, yes, 180 are Pythagorean triplets. So what will you have? You will have 100, 80 and 60. 3:4:5. Yes, so 100 square minus 80 square will be 60 square. Pythagorean triple. Okay, so you can directly also go for it. Chalo. Now before moving to the next question, every Sunday, tomorrow 12 p.m. combat, 1 hour, you will have questions on Quant, VARC, LRDI, 10 questions each, 20 minutes each. You will be getting questions that are easy to medium, so getting a rank within first 200 is not a difficult task. You can go for it. You will get a chance to win scholarships. Okay, chalo, now let's go to congruency. Are you guys ready? Congruency, two triangles are called congruent if they are equal. What do you mean by equal? Exactly the same. Yes, congruent means what? Exactly same. Yes, so you have, let's say you have two triangles here, ABC and XYZ. These two triangles are called congruent if alpha and omega, let's say these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal, beta and lambda are equal, and these two angles are equal. So what do you get? Alpha and omega are equal, beta and lambda are equal, gamma and theta are equal. Then what will happen? These would be congruent. Yes, this will be called AAA congruency, but we'll talk about that, right? But AAA doesn't make a triangle congruent, it makes it similar. So let's talk about that. Let's talk about different rules of congruency, but let's see क्या क्या होता है. Congruent होता है तो क्या क्या होता है, right? If the sides are equal, if AB is equal to XY, BC is equal to YZ, and AC is equal to XZ, and their areas are also equal. If all the dimensions are equal, then area will also be equal, right? Area of triangle ABC will be equal to area of triangle XYZ. Because all the dimensions are equal, perimeter will also be equal. Perimeter of triangle ABC will be the same of perimeter of triangle XYZ. If you take a particular line, let's say if I draw a line from point B to AC, from point B to AC, which is perpendicular. Yes, let's call it BD. Then the length of BD will be equal to the length of same angle. Angle B का equal क्या है? Angle Y, right? Same perpendicular drawn to same side. AC and XZ are equal. Yes. So if I call this WYW, then this will also be equal. तो आप in congruent triangles you can draw anything of the same type and you will have same measurements. Got it? Yes, you got 98. Very good, Muskan. Very good, Saurabh. 16th rank. Beautiful. अरे क्या सौरभ, आपकी मेहनत है भाई. चलो सर ज्योमेट्री बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आता. यशस्वी बेसिक से देखो, या अगर आपका पहला क्लास है तो बेसिक से देखो. बेसिक्स में एकदम थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड वाला ज्योमेट्री बताया मैं. ठीक है, तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द फर्स्ट रूल, SAS congruency, right? The first rule is called side angle side. Yes, side angle side congruency. For two given triangles, if two sides are equal, AB is equal to XY, two angles alpha and theta are equal, and if the connecting sides BC and YZ are equal, then what do you get? These are congruent triangles. क्या मतलब हुआ? Between these two sides this angle should be formed. The angle must be formed between these two equal sides. If that happens, then automatically triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle XYZ. Are you getting this? For example, if I say this is 5 units, this is also 5 units. If I say this is 45 degrees, this is also 45 degrees. And if I say this side is 6 units and this is also 6 units, then you can say that whatever is the length of AC will be the same as XZ. Why? Because these are congruent triangles. Understood? Yes. ये ऐसे नहीं होगा कि let's say if BC is 7 units, AC is 6 units. Now you can't say these two triangles are congruent. Why aren't they congruent? Because the angle between AB and BC, angle between AB and BC here is what? Alpha, which is 45 degrees. So sides क्या है? 5 and 7. Yes, 5 units, 45 degrees, 7 units. ये सेम यहाँ पे भी होना चाहिए, बट यहाँ पे क्या है? You have 5 units, 45 degrees, but you have 6 units. So these won't be congruent. क्योंकि यहाँ पे 6 है, यहाँ पे 6 है, it doesn't matter. It always matters with what? The angle between the equal sides being equal. Okay? समझ में आया ये? Yes, so this is our first concept, SAS congruency. Let's move on to the next one, which is ASA congruency. स्नेहा कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर दो साइड टू साइड्स और उनके बीच के एंगल्स, दो साइड और उनके बीच के एंगल्स अगर इक्वल हैं तो दो ट्रायंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है। सिंपल, क्लियर है स्नेहा? दो साइड और बीच का एंगल, ये साइड इक्वल टू ये साइड, दोनों के बीच का एंगल क्या है? ये और ये इक्वल होना चाहिए। ठीक है, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द सेकेंड रूल विच इज ASA कॉन्ग्रुएंसी। ASA क्या है? एंगल साइड एंगल। जैसे प्रीवियस केस में अपन ने देखा था कि दो इक्वल साइड के बीच का एंगल, यहां पे क्या है? दो इक्वल एंगल्स के बीच का साइड। Yes, so if I say angle alpha and theta are equal, this and this is equal, this and this is equal, इन दोनों एंगल्स के बीच के साइड्स क्या हैं? AB and XY are equal। अगर ये सब हैं तो these two triangles are congruent, मतलब दोनों ट्रायंगल एग्जैक्टली सेम होंगे। Got it? So what's the rule? Rule 1, साइड एंगल साइड, दोनों साइड बीच का एंगल, दोनों एंगल बीच का साइड, एंड थर्ड वन इज ऑल द थ्री साइड्स। थर्ड वन इज व्हाट? ऑल द थ्री साइड्स, मतलब तीनों साइड्स शुड बी इक्वल टू तीनों साइड्स ऑफ द अदर ट्रायंगल। साइड 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 है ना, ये शादियों में वो पुरानी प्लेट्स लेके जाते हो, साइड साइड साइड, ये ठीक है, साइड साइड साइड, which means if AB and XY are equal, BC and YZ are equal, AC and XZ are equal, then you can say that the triangles are congruent। समझ गए? आपको ये एंगल्स का टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं, अगर तीनों साइड इक्वल है तो अंडरस्टूड है कि तीनों एंगल्स भी इक्वल ही होंगे। ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल होगा, ये एंगल और ये एंगल इक्वल होगा, दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल विल बी इक्वल। ठीक है, डन। तो तीन कॉन्ग्रुएंसीज अपन ने देखी, 3 कॉन्ग्रुएंसीज वी सॉ, दिस इज द फोर्थ कॉन्ग्रुएंसी। Yes, according to the fourth congruency, which is the RHS, doesn't mean right hand side. RHS is not right hand side. It is what? One of the angles must be right angle. The hypotenuse must be equal. And one of the sides must be equal. Which side must be equal? कोई भी side equal हो चलेगा। Yes, so here if two right triangles are there, this is 90, this is 90. Yes, if two hypotenuses are equal or two sides, any two sides are equal, let's say ye side and ye side, two sides are equal and two hypotenuses are equal, this is a hypotenuse, this is a hypotenuse. Yes, if hypotenuse, side and 90 degrees, if these are equal, then they will be congruent. They are the same right triangle. Why? Because ultimately the other sides will also become equal. कैसे? What will this become? This will become hypotenuse square minus s square. तो ये भी क्या होगा? Same hypotenuse square minus s square. समझ गए? Pythagoras theorem. ठीक है? Shall we try out some questions? Yes, okay, before we move on to similarity, let's try out some questions, okay? एक question करते हैं congruency पे, फिर we'll come back to that. Yes? Okay, ये वाला similarity पे है, चलो ठीक है, ये question similarity पे, तो similarity देख ही लेते हैं। चलो let's quickly look at similarity. Congruency clear है? Congruency is done? Yes? So what do you mean by congruent triangles? Congruent means what? Exactly the same. Yes. If congruency is exactly the same, then what is similarity? Similarity is proportional. मतलब क्या? बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ of the same type of triangle. यस दोनों टाइप, दोनों एंगल, दोनों ट्राइंगल के जो टाइप है वो सेम है, ये थोड़ा सा बड़ा है, ये थोड़ा सा छोटा, दैट्स इट. यस, so how do you check if two triangles are similar? If all the angles are equal, alpha should be equal to omega, beta should be, so alpha omega equal, beta lambda equal, gamma and theta equal. तीनों एंगल्स जो है एक दूसरे से इक्वल होने चाहिए. अब जो साइड की बात आती है, साइड नीड नॉट बी इक्वल. साइड्स जो है इक्वल होना जरूरी नहीं है, साइड्स प्रोपोर्शनेट होने चाहिए. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्रोपोर्शनल? फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ दिस इज 8 एंड दिस इज 4, दिस इज 10, दिस इज 5, दिस इज 6, दिस इज 3. आर यू गेटिंग दिस गाइस? तो 8/4 का जो रेशियो है 2:1 इज फॉलोड हियर ऑल्सो, 6 and 3, 10 and 5. Clear? This is when you say that the triangles are similar. Yes, similar triangles का एरिया देखो, लॉजिक देखो, बता देता हूं. If two triangles are similar, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, then area of triangle ABC by area of triangle XYZ will be equal to what? The ratio of the square of any one of the sides, AB by XY का square. Not 1/2 जानवी, जरूरी नहीं है 1/2. 1/2 नहीं होगा, 1/4 होगा. अक्षय, not 1/2, 1/4. Square of the ratio of the sides. जानवी, अक्षय, क्लियर है? एरिया, बिकॉज व्हाट इज एरिया? हाफ टाइम्स बेस टाइम्स हाइट. यस, तो यहां पे क्या होगा? बेस का भी रेशियो, बेस का रेशियो भी सेम ही होगा, हाइट का रेशियो भी सेम होगा, 1:2. So if I say, if this is, let's say if this is 9, then this will be 4.5, 9/2. समझ रहे हो? Yes, so area of triangle ABC will be what? Half times 9 times 10. Yes, area of XYZ क्या होगा? Half times 4.5 times 5. So if you cancel this off, what are you left with? 9/4.5 is 2, 10/5 is 2. So 2 into 2 is what? 4. तो इसका रेशियो क्या होगा? 4:1. Are you understanding this, guys? समझ गए ना? No doubts, right? चलो, beautiful. Ajay, basic proportionality theorem, I'll explain it with the help of an example. Example question को रख के explain करूंगा, समझ में आ जाएगा. Okay? Okay. Board outs. Board outs. Okay. So we've seen 4 types of congruency. Now let's see types of similarities. Yes, there's something called AAA similarity, which is angle, angle, angle. Yeah, angle, angle similarity में you don't need to check with the third angle. Let's say अगर पहला angle 30 है, let's say अगर ये 30 है, this is 30 degrees and this is also 30 degrees. If this is 40 degrees and this is also 40 degrees, तो तीसरे एंगल का कोई ऑप्शन है क्या? इसका कोई ऑप्शन है? ये एंगल क्या होगा? जल्दी से बोलो. अगर ये 30 है, ये 40 है, ये भी 30 है, ये भी 40 है, तो तीसरे वाले एंगल का जबरदस्ती 110 ही होगा. तो ये अगर इक्वल नहीं भी है फिर भी इक्वल है. समझ गए? यस, करेक्ट गाइस. सो ऑटोमेटिकली इवन इफ यू प्रूव दैट 2 एंगल्स आर इक्वल, थर्ड वाला पीछे पीछे अपने आप भाग के आता है. यस, थर्ड वाला इज दैट यंगर सिबलिंग जो आपको बोलता है भैया भैया दीदी दीदी खिलाओ ना प्लीज प्लीज, मैं भी आऊंगा। जहां कहीं पर भी आप जाओगे वहां पे ये भी आएगा, मैं भी आऊंगा मैं भी आऊंगा, ये वही एंगल है, ठीक है। सो ट्रिपल ए और डबल ए, सो यू कैन स्टिक इट टू डबल ए इटसेल्फ, राइट। एंगल एंगल सिमिलैरिटी, कोई भी दो सेट ऑफ एंगल्स अगर सिमिलर हैं तो डन। यस, तो क्या बोल रहे हैं, अल्फा ओमेगा इक्वल, बीटा लैम्डा इक्वल, देन ऑटोमेटिकली गामा एंड थीटा आर इक्वल ओनली। व्हाट हैपेंस, दीज टू आर सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स, ठीक है। सेकेंड सिमिलैरिटी इज ट्रिपल एस। यस, ट्रिपल एस जो है वो सिमिलैरिटी भी है, कॉन्ग्रुएंसी भी है। Triple S is similarity also, congruent also, because any similar set of triangles are automatically congruent. Yes, कोई भी आप similar triangles लोगे तो वो अपने आप congruent, सॉरी कोई भी आप congruent triangles लोगे तो वो अपने आप similar तो है ही है ना, क्योंकि अगर आप AB और XY का रेशियो लोगे वो क्या होगा, 1:1। क्यों, क्योंकि congruent है। Yes, but here in this what are we going to do, we are not going to go for congruency, we are going for similarity. So if it is triple S similarity, that means they should be proportional. AB by XY should be proportional to BC by YZ, should be proportional to AC by XZ. Need not be necessary that all the sides must be equal, right? 10-5, 6-3, 8-4, समझ रहे हो। यस, अगर रेशियो इक्वल है, अगर थ्री साइड्स रेशियो इज इक्वल, देन यू कैन से दैट द ट्रायंगल्स आर सिमिलर। कूल। सो ट्रिपल एस कॉन्ग्रुएंसी में क्या होता है, सारे साइड्स इक्वल है। ट्रिपल एस सिमिलैरिटी में क्या है, उनका रेशियो इक्वल है। And next one is SAS similarity. SAS मतलब क्या, साइड एंगल साइड, याद आ रहा है ये, साइड एंगल साइड याद आ रहा है, दो इक्वल साइड बीच का एंगल। यहां पे क्या है, दो प्रोपोर्शनल साइड और बीच का एंगल। इफ देर आर टू एंगल्स दैट आर इक्वल, अल्फा एंड थीटा, एंड द साइड्स adjacent to them, ये साइड ये साइड ये साइड ये साइड, अगर इनका रेशियो इक्वल है, AB by XY should be equal to BC by YZ, then the triangles are similar. Similar congruency में क्या बोले थे कि इक्वल होना, यहां पे क्या बोल रहे कि प्रोपोर्शनेट होना, ठीक है। But again this applies only if the angle lies in between. Angle should be between the two sides, ठीक है, दोनों साइड के बीच में। Last similarity, just like RHS congruency, we have RHS similarity. Yes, right side, hypotenuse and one of the sides, right angle, hypotenuse, one of the sides. So if two triangles are right angled, that is if one of the angles is 90 degrees, if the ratio of AB and XY is the same as the ratio of hypotenuse, yes, ratio of these two are equal to ratio of the hypotenuse, then you can say that they are similar. For example, if I say this is 10, this is 5, then if I say this is 8 and 4, 8:4, 2:1, 10:5, 2:1, right angle अगर है तो क्या हो गया, similar. Got it? So what will this side be, 10 square minus 8 square 6, 5 square minus 4 square 3, ये भी proportional है automatically, 6:3 is 2:1. Done? कोई डाउट इसमें किसी को, hypotenuse वर्ड कहां से आया, origin पूछ रहे हो कि बोल रहे हो कि वर्ड गलत है, origin पूछ रहे हो तो नहीं पता, बट वर्ड तो गलत नहीं है इतना पता। So here's our first question. In this given figure, Shruti, if BC is proportional to YZ, if BC is proportional to YZ, then it automatically becomes SAS similarity, na? Side, angle, side. Yes. चूज क्या है, अपने को चूज कुछ नहीं करना है, जबरदस्ती अपने को सिमिलर है प्रूव करना है। अपना क्या सीन है कि जबरदस्ती ये सिमिलर है करके प्रूव करना है, हमें चूज कुछ भी कर लो, यूज वॉट एवर वे यू वॉन्ट टू शो दैट दीज आर सिमिलर, दैट्स इट। ठीक है ना, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है कि हाँ सर ने तो वो वाला यूज किया था तो वही यूज करेंगे, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। यस चलो एक सेकेंड ना, यहाँ पे एक गड़बड़ है, 1 सेकेंड। So to have a look at this question, ये नहीं है, ये गलत है, this is wrong, ये वाला इंफॉर्मेशन गलत है। अब क्विकली आंसर करो, रीड दिस क्वेश्चन, ट्राई एंड आंसर दिस। नहीं श्रुति, विथ हाइपोटेन्यूज एंगल कैन नेवर बी 90, नो, हाइपोटेन्यूज इज ऑलवेज द एंगल, ऑलवेज द साइड ऑपोजिट टू 90। हाइपोटेन्यूज के साथ आप 90 नहीं रख सकते, फिर वो राइट ट्रायंगल नहीं रहेगा, वो कंफ्यूज ट्रायंगल रहेगा। ठीक है, अक्षय, रॉजर, श्रेयसी आर सेइंग ए। वाई जेड नहीं दिया हुआ है दिशांत, वाई एंड जेड इज नॉट गिवन। साक्षी, दीप, लेखना, Arshan, very good. They're saying A, 2.4 units. Others? Here we talk about basic proportionality theorem. Yes, जिसको हम प्यार से बुलाते हैं BPT, not PPT, PowerPoint नहीं, PowerPoint. Okay, BPT. So BPT, according to BPT, yes, if you can find out two sides that are proportional to each other, or if parallel sides are given, yes, within a triangle, if parallel sides are given, if YZ is parallel to Y dash Z dash, if YZ is parallel to Y dash Z dash, then जो ऊपर से आओ, that is the ratio of XY by XY dash, ratio of XY पूरा by XY dash will be equal to XZ by XZ dash, which will be equal to YZ by YZ dash, Y dash Z dash. समझ रहे हो? Yes guys, are you able to understand this? According to basic proportionality theorem, if you draw a line parallel to one of the sides, then the ratio of the side of bigger triangle, smaller triangle. Yes, so ultimately what happens here, you get to understand that these two triangles are similar, correct? Triangle XYZ is similar to triangle XY dash Z dash. बड़ा triangle similar to छोटा triangle. Agreed? समझ गए ना? सब ये क्या बोल रहे हैं? They're saying कि XZ ये पूरा जो है 6 units है. This entire thing is 6 units. They're asking how much will this be? Yes, so what do we know? Do we know the ratio of XY and XY dash? XY कितना है? XY is not 3 units. XY is पूरा, दोनों मिला के 5 units. So this is 5 is to XY dash, which is 2. Should be the same for XZ and XZ dash. XZ कितना है? 6. So how much is xz dash? Xz dash will be 6 into 2 by 5. 12 into 5 is 2.4 units. Yes. तो सब मिलके बोलो yes if you have understood basic proportionality theorem. तो आप क्या करोगे? इमीडिएटली जब कभी भी ऐसा सिचुएशन बने, whenever this kind of a situation comes up where you have one side parallel to the another in a triangle, one side is parallel to one of the sides of the smaller triangle, then automatically you can go for this. Yes. क्यों? क्योंकि साइड्स के जो प्रोपोर्शन रहेंगे, रेशियो रहेंगे, वो इक्वल होंगे. डन. चलो, let's try the next question now. Next question. Here is the diagram for it. Read the question, try this out. ये अपन ने introduction class में किया था. We did this during the intro class. Do you remember? Intro class में अपन ने किया था ये. ऋषि, हाँ, 3 छोटा पार्ट नीचे का पार्ट है, 2 ऊपर का पार्ट है, दोनों मिला के 5 है ना? Superb. Akshay says D. He's saying the ratio is 1:√2. Roger is saying D. Very good. Others? आराम से करो, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं. Arshan and Shreyashi are saying D. Very good. So read this. What are they saying? Sujal says D. Very good. Question में क्या बोला है कि YZ, that is this side, is parallel to PQ, which is this side, which is parallel to P dash Q dash. तो अपन ने क्या बोला था? Whenever you see parallel sides, if YZ is parallel to P dash Q dash, which is parallel to PQ, then by basic proportionality theorem, what do you know? Basic proportionality theorem क्या है? That the ratio of XY, तो चलो, क्योंकि D और D dash का पूछा है, क्योंकि D और D dash का पूछा है, we will go for this. So XP by XP dash will be the same as XQ by P dash Q dash, sorry, XQ by XQ dash, which is the same as PQ by PQ dash, which is D by D dash. Yes. What do you know about the area? एरिया का क्या सीन है गाइस यहाँ पे? एरिया, so you understand by basic proportionality theorem, this is by basic proportionality theorem, you know that triangle XPQ is similar to triangle XP dash Q dash, correct? अब ये भाई साहब क्या बोल रहे हैं? ये बोल रहे हैं कि ये वाला एरिया जो मैं शेड कर रहा हूं, ध्यान से देखना, ये वाला एरिया, दिस एरिया जो येलो में मैंने हाईलाइट किया है, इज इक्वल टू दिस एरिया जो रेड में मैंने हाईलाइट किया. अगर ये एरिया और ये एरिया इक्वल है, सो लेट्स कॉल देम ए एंड ए. ये एरिया भी ए है, ये वाला एरिया भी ए है, तो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल XPQ बाई एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल XP dash Q dash क्या होना चाहिए? We've seen कि सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स में एरियाज क्या होते हैं? स्क्वायर ऑफ द रेशियो ऑफ द साइड्स, करेक्ट? स्क्वायर, which is nothing but area of triangle XPQ अगर A है, area of triangle XP dash Q dash क्या होगा? A 2 times A, करेक्ट? ये वाला A, ये वाला A मिला के, पूरा ये मिला के ट्राइंगल होता है, सो A plus A 2A. ए कैंसिल हो गया, आपको क्या मिल रहा है कि डी बाई डी डैश इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1/2 which is 1/√2. So the ratio of d is to d dash will be what? 1:√2, which is none of the above. Done? Yes. So you understood now where to use basic proportionality theorem. You understood the relation between similar triangles and the ratio of their areas. मेरा पेन दिखाऊं? क्यों, क्या हो गया भाई क्षितिज? खरीद रहे हो कि दूसरा दिला रहे हो? चलो, let's try this question. Now in this they haven't given, in this question they haven't given the diagram, so you have to draw the diagram. A line segment YZ has 2 points A and B such that each of them is equidistant from Y and Z. Find angle BDZ. डायग्राम नहीं है, फटाफट से ट्राई करो. क्रिश वाला पेन, क्रिश कौन, वो जादू वाला क्रिश, उसके पास पेन था क्या? ओ अच्छा, इस पेन में जादुई शक्तियां, वाव, शकल का बूम बूम, कुछ भी. ओके, अक्षय सेज B 90 degrees. अदर्स, अक्षय बोल रहे कि B 90 degrees है, बाकी लोग? Roger, Shreyashi, Lekhna are saying B 90 degrees. Okay. करेक्ट अर्शान, वेरी गुड. तो देखो क्या बोला कि एक लाइन सेगमेंट है YZ, ठीक है, YZ को मिला के एक लाइन सेगमेंट बन रहा है. ये बोल रहे हैं कि A और B ऐसे पॉइंट्स है, A एंड B आर सच पॉइंट्स दैट दे आर इक्विडिस्टेंट फ्रॉम Y एंड Z. मतलब क्या कि ये डिस्टेंस और ये डिस्टेंस इक्वल है, सेम वे ये डिस्टेंस और ये डिस्टेंस इक्वल है. समझ रहे हो? यस. तो क्या हो गया अपने पास? नाउ दिस इज हाउ द फिगर इज. यस, ये एग्जैक्ट रोम्बस नहीं है, दिस इज नॉट एग्जैक्ट रोम्बस, बट ठीक है, दिस इज अ काइट. यस, जरूरी नहीं है ये रोम्बस बनेगा, ये काइट बनेगा, ठीक है. तो अब यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहे हैं? दे आर आस्किंग अस टू फाइंड आउट द एंगल BDZ सच दैट दिस इज D. यस, तो BDZ ये एंगल हमें ढूंढना है. हाउ मच इज दिस एंगल? इसको थीटा बुलाएंगे, थीटा का वैल्यू पूछ रहा है. यस. तो यहां पे आप क्या कॉन्सेप्ट यूज कर सकते हो? आर देयर एनी पैरेलल साइड्स? पैरेलल साइड्स कुछ दिया हुआ है या कुछ समझ में आ रहा है? जरूरी नहीं है, हो सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है. Yes. What could you understand from this? That they're saying that we need to find out this. The only thing that we know is what? Only thing that we know is these are equidistant. मतलब ये और ये equal है, ये और ये equal है. Yes, this is equal, this is equal. Now quickly try this out. अब कौन से दो ट्रायंगल्स लेके सिमिलर, आपको पता तो चल गया कि सिमिलर प्रूव करना है ना. ये तो क्लियर हो गया कि कोई दो ट्रायंगल को बैठ के सिमिलर बनाना है. कौन से दो ट्रायंगल्स को लोगे? लुक एट दिस. इफ आई टेक दिस एंटायर ट्रायंगल AYB, ट्रायंगल AYB एंड ट्रायंगल AZB. यस, इसमें मेरे को क्या पता है? मेरे को पता है कि AY AZ इक्वल है, BY BZ इक्वल है, AB और AB तो इक्वल है ही है, राइट? AB एंड AB आर ऑटोमेटिकली इक्वल, करेक्ट? Yes, so what do you get by triple S congruency? Triple S congruency, what do you understand? That triangle AYB is not just similar but congruent to AZB. Yes, अगर congruent है तो हमें क्या पता है कि सब कुछ सेम होंगे, every part of it will be same. मतलब क्या? This angle will be equal to this angle. This angle will be equal to this angle. छोटे वाले पार्ट्स भी इक्वल होंगे, बड़े वाले पार्ट्स भी इक्वल होंगे. इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? इसका ये मतलब हुआ कि दिस एंगल, यस ये वाला, दिस एंगल विल बी इक्वल टू दिस एंगल, करेक्ट. और छोटे वाले एंगल्स भी इक्वल हो जाएंगे. दिस एंगल विल बी इक्वल टू दिस एंगल, दिस एंगल विल बी इक्वल टू दिस एंगल. तो हमें क्या पता चल गया कि चारों थीटा है. दिस इज ऑल्सो थीटा, दिस इज ऑल्सो थीटा, दिस इज ऑल्सो थीटा. यस, ये जो क्रॉस हो रहा है, प्लस बन रहा है, वहां पे क्या है? सब एंगल्स थीटा है. तो या तो आप स्ट्रेट लाइन करके कर लो या सर्कुलर एंगल ले लो, राइट. सर्कुलर एंगल क्या होता है कि सम ऑफ ऑल दी एंगल्स एट अ पॉइंट इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्रीज. तो आपका थीटा क्या होगा? 90. समझ गए? यस. Unless and until you prove, Kshitish, unless and until you prove कि ये angles equal है, you can't move ahead with that. ठीक है? Done, guys. सही है? किसी को कोई डाउट यहाँ पे? Was watching old DI sessions. Ashish sir was saying your name. Ashish sir is still recovering. He will be back in action soon. है ना, बहुत जल्द आएंगे वो भी, टेंशन मत लो. छुट्टी कर दूं मुस्कान? चलो ठीक है, ये आज का होमवर्क क्वेश्चन लो. आपने छुट्टी मांगी और मैंने दे दिया. ये आज का होमवर्क क्वेश्चन है, करो, कल डिस्कस करेंगे. 27th कल है. We will discuss this tomorrow. Okay, done. All right guys, so here's a free feature available for everyone, that is ask a doubt. Yes, if you have a doubt you don't have to wait on any telegram groups. आप directly ask a doubt feature में जाइए, अपना जो डाउट है उसका फोटो लगाइए एंड हाईलाइट द पार्ट जहाँ पे डाउट है और आपका सोल्यूशन आपके पास रहेगा. Yes, and you can go for the subscription. You can take plus subscription. Use my code Surana Live. 6 months का अगर लोगे तो 1 month का free. Don't forget to use the code Surana Live. Again 10% का discount मिलेगा. This offer is valid only for today. ठीक है? अब पनवेल जा सकते हैं. हाँ रॉजर, निकलो. You also teach DI LR? Yes Neha, I do. We will be starting LR and DI on YouTube from next month. From July we'll be starting LR and DI on YouTube also. Okay, thank you so much guys. Also there's iconic subscription. I told you in the beginning of the session, all the benefits of plus you will get unlimited access to entire content. Along with that you will get a personal mentor who will help you with everything. These mentors are alumni of top B schools, so based on their experience they'll give you advice. So you can take the 24 or the 12-month package. Use the code Surana Live for a 10% discount. Yes, thank you very much guys. Don't forget to hit like on this video. वीडियो पे लाइक करना मत भूलना निकलते निकलते. डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट सब्सक्राइब. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू ऑल्सो टर्न ऑन द नोटिफिकेशंस. यस, I will see you in the next class. Today at 8 PM we are doing selection based probability. Selection based probability. Some interesting questions today, so don't forget to be there. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye bye. Have a great day ahead. I'll see you soon. Keep learning. Let's crack it.